Hey, small business owners, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services? Today, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to create a free trial, launch your website on the Mighty Sites platform. Let's jump in. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month. And as I said, there is a free trial available for 7 days. So I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to activate that free trial, launch a website. You literally don't even have to put your credit card details in to start that free trial. So let's jump in. Okay, I'm going to click on start free trial here on the right. Over here, I'm going to pop in my name as well as my email address. Let's go ahead and verify that we are human success and click on continue. Our new website is literally just a few steps away. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our local business so it can generate a simple website for us with the information we're popping in. I'm going to put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once we click that continue button, Mighty Sites is going to ask us how we would categorize our business. This is just a starting point. You can always update it later. So I'm going to go ahead and search for handyman. As you can see, there are hundreds of different categories to choose from for various local businesses. I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, handyman. There it is over there. You also have the options to select the general service business, retail store, and restaurant template. Let's click on handyman. Great. So now Mighty Sites has literally taken the information I've just put in, generated a simple website for my business, and brought up this pop-up showing me how to customize my new websites in under 30 seconds. Let's close it off and let me just give you a quick overview of how easy it is to use this website builder. For each section that you want to update, of course, we've actually pre-written all the content for you and pre-selected all the images as well. That's what makes Mighty Sites a little bit different from other website builders. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your business. So as you can see, you've got a whole website here, one-page website for your local business. Your free trial is available for 7 days. If you want to subscribe, all you need to do is click on subscribe now for $9 a month. You have an option to try the starter, which is the basic $9 a month, only $9. You'll get your single professional page website and you can connect a domain you own. If you don't have a custom domain, you can purchase one via the Mighty Sites platform as well. And we do have an option as well for a boost package. Basically, your business is listed on popular business directories for better online visibility. This is just not mandatory. It's optional. You can sign up for that package if you wish to. You can also pay for a yearly package, and it is discounted from the monthly rates. So as you can see, it's super simple to start a free trial on the Mighty Sites platform for your local business website. Give it a go. See how well Mighty Sites works for your local business. If you have any questions about Mighty Sites, pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer all your questions. Remember, after that 7-day free trial, it's only going to cost you $9 a month. And to start your free trial, you don't even have to put your credit card details in. You're not obliged to put in any credit card details in. You can literally just sign up for that free trial, try it for 7 days, and see how well it works for your business. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you need any marketing tips, check out our other videos. You'll find loads of valuable information on marketing and advertising your local business. All the best.